here, what's up mga palangga? Welcome back sa ating channel. I'm Banuelos. Kung bago ka sa channel na to, please do consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button and pakismash po ng notification bell para ma-notify ka every time may bago tayong video na i-upload. So ngayon nga is medyo pause tayo kasi nga I'm not feeling well, but we'll record this video. So yun na, ilang days na lang patapos na ang month of May. June na, pasukan na. So this is very timely. But of course, sa lahat ng freshmen, welcome. Welcome to college life. But of course, before ko ibibigay yung mga tips kung ano nga ba dapat ang ginagawa or things to do when you are a freshman, let's talk about the challenges first ng isang freshman student. Isa sa mga challenges actually is the adjustment. Kailangan mong mag-adjust because freshman college life is far different from being a senior high school or junior high school. When it comes to workloads, time management, magkaiba po ang college life. So freshmen, you really have to at least make some adjustments. Some of you siguro mga this can be a major adjustment, lalong-lalo na if you are not familiar sa school na pinapasukan mo or malayong-malayo. For example, galing ka ng public tapos sa college mo is nasa private school ka, or galing ka sa private school tapos college mo is sa public school in a way, pero wala namang masyadong malaking difference. Pero when it comes to the level of adjustment, siguro medyo big deal yun sa mga freshmen. Pangalawang challenge or parang things to or a thing to expect is responsibility. College life requires full responsibility, full pledge of responsibility. You have to be responsible with your time and balancing between your ACADS and your LACADS. So medyo minimize na ang mga gala-gala because it's time to get serious and time to get focused on your academic life, academic journey, or even time to focus on your career, because college life is actually a preparation for the career na gusto mong i-push sa life mo. Number 3, ano yung dapat i-expect or yung mga challenges is hindi siya challenge, pero this is some sort of an expectation. College life or being a freshman is filled with or stuffed with fun-filled learning experiences. Of course, pag sinabi natin ACADS, eskwelahan, school, ang nasa isip agad natin is it might be boring or masyadong madaming pressure, but of course, apart from that one is andun yung fun-filled na learning experience ng school, ng environment, and ng mga tao or mga friends na nasa paligid mo. Okay, time to talk about our 5 tips para sa mga incoming freshmen. Number 1, do your best. Of course, sinabi ko nga kanina that college life is actually your ticket for life. Your ticket for, of course, to your dream career or to your dream job or to your dream business, and it's actually your passport para maka-get away ka na, for example, sa poverty, or you want to break the status quo. So gusto mong maging mabuti or gumawa ng mabuti, or you wanted to be impactful to the community. So it's time to do your best bilang isang freshman student. Gawin mo yung best mo, ano yung potential mo, pakita mo. Time to show off your skills. What you've got, ano yung kayang ibuga mo. Number 2, of course, you have to make friends. Bilang isang freshman, kinakailangan mo ng friends. Of course, not many, or not friends. It can be a friend, pwedeng isa lang. That can be your companion for your academic life, the journey. Yung pwede mo mapagtanungan or ma-sharean mo sa mga academic experiences mo sa school, or pwede mo makasabay sa mga ganito, ganyan. So really you have to make friends because yung college life, yung being freshman, doon mo makikita basically or most of the cases, dun mo makita yung mga magiging friends mo for life. Because, sabi ko nga kanina, college life is actually an education for life. So, dun mo makikita yung friends mo magiging friend mo sa school, or even beyond, sa academic journey mo, magiging friend mo for life, or friends mo for life. Number 3, of course, make learning a habit. Huwag puro chill. Of course, there are those times that we need to relax, pero pag isa kang freshman, nasa college life ka na, you really have to make learning a habit. Learn. Aside from just going to school regularly, nakikinig ka, you're doing assignments, you have to set time na pupunta ng library, magbabasa, or even you search online na yung pwede mong basahin worthwhile while you are having a free time. Make learning a habit. Try new skills, try new stuffs, and of course, bottom line of that, be happy while you are doing learning some new experiences. Number 4, focus. Ito yung thing na medyo nahihirapan ng isang millennial student. Focus. Pag-focus when it comes to study. And of course, because sabi ko nga kanina, it requires balancing between lakads and akads. So basically, you have to set your time goal or time frame na ano yung dapat na ipa-priority mo. So make priorities, make learning, make schooling your priority. But of course, without jeopardizing yung happy memories na pwede mong mag-gain apart from learning. And number 5, this is the last step. Have a life. Wag puro school. I think this step may sum up the other 4. Have a life, because learning is actually a thing to be enjoyed, not actually a sort of burden. It's a thing to be enjoyed. So share learning with friends, learn with friends, learn through friends, learn through the environment kung asan ka, and learn sa sarili mo mismo. Have a life. Mag-enjoy din minsan. So, yun. So, yun na nga sa lahat ng freshmen. Welcome to college life, and I know kayang-kaya mo yan. So, kayang-kaya mo yan. So, magsa-start ng school year, laban lang. Yun. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.